Hello guys, how are you? I hope everybody doing good. Today we have lesson about operators, and this is lesson number 14 from course number 1, foundation level 1. So let's begin and see what is operators. Operator types, we have 3 types of operator for this level. There is more than 3 types of operators, but for this level it's enough to have these 3 operators, and in future courses we'll have another operators types. So the 3 types of operator today, we have mathematical operators, which is like plus, minus, divided, multiply, modulo, mod, and power. And we have relational operators, which is greater than, less than, equal, greater or equal, less than or equal, or not equal. And we have logical operators, which is and, or, and not. So let's start first with mathematical operators, all right? Mathematical operators, this is the operator: additional, subtraction, and multiplication, integer division, modulo division, and power. In computer symbol, the additional subtraction is same. If I write, for example, 3.0 plus 4.2, it will give me 7.2. And in computer symbol, it's look also like this, plus normal. And subtraction is same. If I write, for example, 8.5 minus 4.0, it will give me 4.5. But the multiplication, we say the sign or the computer symbol will not represented as x, or for example x letter or something like this. No, we represent it as asterisk, which is shift and 8, the star, for example. We represent it like this. So if I want to do a multiplication in my code, in my lines code, for example, I will use this asterisk. I will write, for example, here 5 multiply 5 to give me 25. And integer division is same. It's like slash. I can do like divided in my code using this computer symbol. And the mod division is not look like this. We'll not try mod. We'll not try it like this. But we use shift and 5, which is a percentage sign or percentage computer symbol. But we will have it. All of these things we'll practice on it a lot in next courses, and especially from the next course we'll start to practice on it a lot. So the mod, it's always the remainder of the number. So we, for example, we have 9 apples and we have 4 people, and 9 mod 4. If we give each one person 2 apples, we still have 1 apple remainder. So the mod always the remainder, the left after the process. And the power, this is the power sign or computer symbol. Power is 3 power 2 is give me 9. The power, they called it caret, not carrot, caret. They called it in mathematical operators. All right, these are the mathematical operators. It's easy, nothing much. And let's jump now to see relational operators. Relational operators, as we say, it's comparing between 2 things. For example, equal to, less than, greater than, less than, or equal, greater than, or equal, or not equal. So in computer symbols, it's represented like this. Yeah, in C++, not equal, we'll not write it like this in the line of the codes. We'll not write it like this. We write it like different, but it's okay now, take it like this. But the rest in all the programming languages is same. So in computer symbol, the relational operators, we represent them like this. And we said it's between comparing 2 things. For example, we have here operations 5 equals 7. No, so it's false. 5 less than 7, yes, 5 less than 7 is smaller than 7. No, it's true. 5 greater than 7, no, 5 is not bigger or greater than 7, so it's false, and so on for the rest. All right, this is the relational operators. Nothing much, it's easy as you see. And here now the important things in all this lesson, it's the logical operators. Logical operators, we have 3, and, or, and not. Let's first start with and operators. So let us take one, the first operation. True and true, it's give me, or the final result, it will be true. So any false in and operators, it will give me false. How? We'll see it later in this lesson, and we'll explain it with some good examples. True or false, here now or operator, not and operator. First it's and operator, now it's or operator. So true or false is give me true. Any true in or operator, it will give me true. How? Also we'll explain it in this lesson later. And not true, it's opposite always the results. For example, if I have the operation result, it's true. Not true, it will give me false. Or if it was false, not false, it will give me true. In our condition now, as you see, it's not true, so it's giving me false. Let's start with and operator. all right? And let's represent true in computer 1 and false in computer 0. So 5 greater than 3, true, so it's give me 1. 5 greater than 7, false, so it's give me 7. 5 greater than 3 and 5 greater than 7. 5 greater than 3, it's true, it's give me true as you say here. And we use now and operator, all right, don't forget. And 7 greater than 5 greater than 7, no. Any false in AND operators, the result is false. As we said, this is the first condition we have it. 5 greater than 3. The first condition, it's true because 5 it's bigger or greater than 3. And 5 greater than 7, no, this condition is false. 5 is not bigger or greater than 7. So because we use AND operator, true and false, the final result it will be false, because any false in AND operators, the result is false. Let's take another example from practical life. Practical example to learn AND operator. If you want to hire someone, you must have all the following conditions. For example, let's say that I want to hire somebody in my logistic company to deliver for me and drive the truck and deliver the goods to the people warehouses or to the client warehouses. So he or she must achieve two conditions. The first condition that I wanted, it's your age must be greater than 21 years old. And the second condition, you should have a driving license. So this is how we write it in computers. Not exactly, but it's example, but it's close so much to it. So we open bracket, age greater, and we write age greater or equal to 21. And has driving license equal to. So if he achieved or she achieved to this condition, that their age, this person, his or her age older than 21 and they have driving license, so they will be hired. All right, so let's take the condition 1 as the age and the condition B as the has driving license. The first case we have that 25 greater or equal to 21. Yes, 25, it's bigger than 21, so it's true. His age is good, perfect. He has or she has driving license, yeah, so it's true. Condition A is true, condition B is true, so it's give me the final result is true. That's perfect. And the second case, it's 25 greater or equal to 21. It's true. Has driving license, it's no, so false. His age good, but he doesn't have or she doesn't have a driving license, so the final result it's false, because we say any false in operator in AND operators, the result is false. And the third case, it's 19 greater than 21, it's false, but has driving license, so it will give me false. And the last case, it's 19 greater or equal to 21, it's false, doesn't have driving license, also it's false. So false and false, it's give me false. So as we said, any false in AND operators, the result is false. That is AND operator. And now let us jump to see OR operators. Okay, practical example to learn OR operators. We want to hire somebody in our logistics company for driving the truck to deliver the goods. So in OR condition, age greater, the age is greater or equal to 21 or has driving license, it's give me true. For example, they will be hired, like, which means one of the condition, if it's true, it will give me the final result is true. All right, 5 greater than 3, yes, it's true, so it's give me 1. 5 greater than 7, no, it's false, so it's give me false, but the result in the end, it should to be true. How? We will see now. 5 greater than 3, this first condition is true, as we said, for that is give me 1, so it's true. Or 5 greater than 7, no, this condition is false, as we say here is give me 0, false, so the second condition is false. But the final result for whole process or for whole requirements, it's true. Why? Because we need one condition of this condition, it will be true in OR operators. For example, condition A for age, condition A for age, and condition B has driving license. 25 greater or equal 21, it's true. Has driving license, yes, true, so it's give me true. 25 greater than 21, it's true. Doesn't have driving license, it's okay, it will give me true in the end, because in OR operators we need just one condition be true and the final result will be true. Here, his age less than 21, because his age 19, but he has driving license, she has driving license, so it's true. So now we have 3 cases true in OR operators, because we need just one condition to be true to get a final result true. But here, false and false, it will give me also false, because now none of them is true. All right, and this is like the previous slide, true and true is give me true, True and false give me true. Why? Because we say just one condition we want in our operators. True to give me true. False and true is give me true, false and false give me false. And here the can be represented, it's different now, because 111 101 011 000. Here we have true more than false from the last slides in AND operators. So all operators, any true in all operators, the result is true. When we have just one true in all operators, one of this condition, age or has driving license true, is give me true. Any true in all operators, the result is true. Now let us jump and take not operator. Not operator is easy and there is nothing to take much. Not operator, it's opposite. For example, if I have condition 1 is true, it will be not a condition, like opposite condition A, it's false. If I have condition A is false, not A, it will be true. Now we have a small homework. I want you to solve all of this homework because you will need it in next course. All courses, not just next course. You need it in programming. You need to upgrade your logic to write program, and you need to understand the logical operator, especially logical operator, because the mathematical and relation operator, it's easy. The logical operators, I want you to practice on this homework and put the answers down below, check it out. And that was for the lesson of today. I'll see you next lesson, guys. Ciao.